There you are, my prince is still busy, going non-stop. Look at the desk, it's full of stuff. I need to sort it all out. The sale's on Tuesday, so I've got today, basically, to get it all sorted. Let's see what I can do, eh? Okay, here we go. I've got various bits. Mobile phone holders. I've tried to do a variation. I've got this nice multicolour one. Look at that. With the stripes down the side. That's very nice. I think that'll sell well. It's like a rainbow effect. Then I've got these other ones here. They've got the stripe down. They're a two-sided one. Tell me what you think I should charge for these items. Dragons. I'm always told dragons are popular, so I've made 3 sizes. How much should the big one sell for? It's about 2 foot long. España. That's what everyone's after. Spanish, you're going mad on them. I've got these business card holders in a weight. I've got my cat dishes, ant-proof ones with a mode. I've got fidgets in there. I'm making some more on the printer now, because I understand if you've got fidgets, the kids go mad for them and it pulls the parents in. There's a sign I made, it's in Portuguese, but it's just basically saying we take orders for house signs. And let's go to the boxes. Just little things to pull them in. Little pink piggies. These little flexes. And a few different colours. I think these are lovely. Pineapples. They're beautiful. My wife loves these. The elephants with the heart. Again, tell me how much you think I should charge for these. Some little ducks, like little pocket fillers for the kids. Some various bits and bats in there. Oh yeah. I wonder if these will go well. What do you think? I'm in Portugal, by the way, folks. That's why I've done these. Yeah. Everyone around here looks that. Oh, done some little pandas, minis. I even made these boxes. Look at these beautiful cat coasters. The only problem is they're not smooth on the top, they've got a texture. So, I don't know if they'll go well or not. And then, I've printed loads of these little frogs. Because I think the kids will say, Mum, look, I want one, I want one. Okay, you can have one. What would you charge for something like that? They're very small, aren't they? I want to know what to charge. I don't want to undercharge myself. I was thinking maybe, asking €3, do you think that'd be too much? Each? And then I've got these bananas, little bunches of bananas. Aren't they cute, eh? I thought maybe the same for them. €3. Got some hippos, plexes. They're nice. Some little ducks. Oh, more phone holders there. That's basically it today. Oh, I've got keychains over here. Look. Sorry, I'm moving about. I'm holding the camera. Not very professional, am I? I've done various ones for cars. I think everyone has a car, so hopefully they'll do well. But I ran out of them. I ran out of the chains. I've had to order some more, so I can't make any more. And then I did these with your blood types on. I thought people might want to buy those and keep on the keyring, you know, in case they have an accident or something. Some cute little piggy keyrings for the kids or the ladies, obviously in pink. I just printed this guy last night. Look at that. I've got the support to take off yet. He's an alien. Little alien. Some people have printed 3-foot ones, but I don't think I've got the patience to wait that long. Maybe. Let's see. I've even done prices. Made prices up to put on. Yeah. I've been quite busy. I'm just hoping things work out. Oh, and I'm also accepting PayPal payments. I found you can take a lot more with your card than if you do with cash, so I'm going to give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, folks. I'm going to give it a go. It's my first market. I'm inexperienced. I'm a newbie to all this, so no bad comments, please. And if you enjoy my channel, please like and subscribe and follow me. Let's see how my first market went. Watch my next video.